Hello everybody, this is JC, your team leader here at Keller Williams Legacy in Weston, Florida. Today I'm going to be showing you how to post an ad within the intranet of our market center. And you can use this if you want to promote an open house, a new listing, if you want to request vendors, or if you just want to announce something special, which in this case what I'm going to do is put an ad to announce that an expansion team is looking to get applications for a showing assistant. So with that being said, let me show you step by step how to do it. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Keller Williams dashboard intranet. So it is mykw.kw.com. Then once you're there, what you do is you put your credential, login, and password. Okay. Once you're inside your dashboard, what you want to click is here where it says My Market Center Intranet. Okay, right here. It says My Market Center Intranet. So you click there, and it takes you to this page where you're gonna, as you can see here, it says the blend, office posts, associate posts, community posts. In this case, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a post. So click add a post. Then you got to tell the system what type of post you're about to enter. Is it going to be a market center post, which will only go to the staff? Next one is a group post, where it will go to specific groups that you have created. Then associate post, which it clearly says here, add a have one open house or announcement. And the last one is community news, link to industry news, and promote a mixer. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a post for a mega agent who is looking to get a showing assistant. So we're going to go to associate post. Then what is it that is going to be posted? Either agent announcement, have item or listing, one buyer or vendor, or an open house. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it as one buyer or vendor. I can either do it here or up here where it says agent announcement, publish a message to fellow associates. So I'm going to use this one buyer vendor. Then what's going to be the post title? I'm going to put expansion team looking for showing assistant. It's gonna start today. Today's May 21st. And here I'm going to just let you know so that I don't spend time. I already typed this. So I'm just going to put it here. The expansion team's Cintron Property Group is looking for a showing assistant within our market center. Those interested, please contact Mindy Cintron and then mcintron@kw.com. So that's going to be the ad that the agents are going to see. Just make it short, make it quick, go straight to the point. Then publication level, where should your post be shown? My office. Okay. Then if it says my office only, but if here it says let me choose, so you can do the only option it gives you is our market center. So my office only. Article comments, since this is not something that is open up for comments, it's just those who are interested, they will send an email. So I'm going to remove that. And pin article, staff only option. So it says yes, pin this article above standard posts. So if I put yes, I have to put a date, cannot be more than 14 days out. So I'm going to leave it as is. Today's the 21st. This is going to be pinned for the next 3 days to pin to the top. So then publish post. And it says waiting. And it's pretty much all set. Now I am going to edit something here that I do not like. So I'm gonna do edit post, and I'm gonna do these so it's consistent, capital and capital. And here I miss one, capital. Okay, perfect. So publish post. Okay, fantastic. And scroll down. Awesome. Everything looks fine. Then if I do announce post, what happens? Let's see. Okay, fantastic. Send message now. Okay, off we go. Has been posted. As you can see right here, it was sent out. Guys, if you have any type of difficulties, or if you need me to do any videos on how to do things step by step, by all means, send me a message, send me a WhatsApp, email, call me, and let me know. Let me know what specifically you're struggling with, and I'll be more than happy to do a quick video on how to do step by step. The beauty about doing videos is that you can always go back to the video and do it at your own pace. Sometimes I go, when I'm explaining in person, I might go too fast and you're not gonna be able to like pick everything of what I'm doing. On the other hand, when I do videos, you can, you're playing it, you can pause it, you can rewind it and play it again, or maybe in person I did something that I didn't explain it. Sometimes in videos I do the same thing, like I think I did in this video. I selected something in terms of where to send this, and I didn't say it, but the moment that you go back and see in the video, you can see exactly what I'm selecting. So with that being said, thank you guys. Have an amazing day. Bye.